你好。
Oh, hey. Good to see you. Listen, Mr. Cheng has agreed to a meeting with the Duggan family. I'm worried. It's a very complex situation. They're clearly not above some fairly heavy tactics. And given the dubious nature of the Cheng's fortune, I can't really ask for help. Can you come with us? Thank you.
Let's party！ 这些小兵赏我是好笑吗？我要送他们天涯玩，天涯玩。
It is the strangest thing. Ever since he tried new personal trainer fella, he's very...
All right, we're going to Marlowe Vineyards. This is a regrettable situation. You know about the Duggans, don't you? Avery and Thornton Duggan. Texan private equity money trying to buy the casino. What they want, they usually get, by any means necessary. They have been rebuffed a number of times, but they won't take no for an answer. And now they're driving down the price with all these hijinks. I mean, really, customers who come to the Diamond want to lose their money and cheat on their husbands. Anyone there to start a fight is a dishonest actor. Let's just say they don't teach you those tricks in business school. But they don't teach you how to work for a Hong Kong gangster with an unhinged nephew either. Oddly, there isn't a case study for that. Considering how much I paid for my MBA, maybe there should be. Ugh. Go into entertainment. Gaming sector, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Thanks a lot. Wasn't that a bright idea? I could be streamlining supply chains, or restructuring management teams, or refinancing, or doing anything except what I'm doing right now. What a disaster. But let's just get through this. Let's look them in the eye and tell them we mean it when we say we're not interested. And let's hope this whole situation is resolved. By no means are the Duggans my only problem. Sure would be nice if they would fuck right off. Ugh. What the hell was that? Open? Well, looks like we're here. The moment of truth approaches. Park the car in one of those spaces.
Here. They're waiting for you out on the terrace if you want to follow me.
Jesus. You can see what all those private military investments have got them.
So glad you could come to the vineyard. A little Cabernet?
No. You want to do burpee?
Excuse me, son?
You want to do burpee? Box? Whoa. You got a problem?
Neither me nor my nephew have a problem that I'm aware of. We love China. Always have. Ever since I ate my first egg roll. Well, you see, I never liked eggs. And an egg roll don't have eggs in it. I thought to myself, I like China. I just did.
What my uncle is trying to say is...
Excuse me. I was not finished.
Excuse me, sir.
It's not a problem, Thornton. Well, now, boy, you're gonna sell us your casino. Don't get no confusion about that. See, I want it, so all we're here to discuss is a fair price.
这他妈这混蛋以为自己载入水？我看起来像他妈妈，像吗？像吗？
Mr. Chang's very sorry, but casino's family business and
Well.
not for sale.
You boys are making a very big mistake. Thornton, will you excuse us for a moment? And why don't you take Miss... It is Miss, ain't it? Yeah. Miss Agatha Baker and show her the expansion proposals we were discussing.
Okay, Uncle.
I think I should stay.
I strongly advise that you should leave. This is significantly above your pay grade.
Very good.
Just follow me, miss.
What was that? A ball buster. I don't know. Anyway, Mr. Chan, I'm gonna lay my cards on the table. I don't give two fucks about who your family is or how many ninjas you got up your sleeve. Am I making myself clear?
他妈的是谁啊？是谁啊？
Where I come from, you don't get to pull a gun unless you're willing to use it. But maybe you do things differently in your parts. Now, when I return, we will continue this conversation as gentlemen. Now, on second thought, I ain't a gentleman. Shoot the bastards!
If you don't bring it down, we're dead.
Someone, give me a rocket launcher. I gotta reload. Get down! Everybody down! Fuck you! Hit the dirt! Hit the dirt! Come on! I'm reloading! Muere ya! Drop! Damn on these fools!
To the north of us, look out!
The wrong soldier! Damn it! Get out of there! Now! You can't kill us! Fucking try!
Shit! The turret on that thing! I don't want to die! I don't like this!
Everybody down! Back up! now! Kill these motherfuckers! Crush them! Take a move!
Make it stop!
Hold it right there, asshole! We got a man down!
我们会没事的。
Kill them! Cut off their heads! Don't fuck with me! 该死
They're coming through the vineyard.
More of these motherfuckers pulling up! He's been hit! Oh, shit! Get down! Get down!
Helicopter. If you don't bring it down, we're dead.
Fuck you! Someone, give me rocket launcher! Cover now! We need a man down! Reloading! Come on!
To the north of us. Look out. I don't like this.
You did! Grab some cover! You can't kill us! Fucking try!
Shit. The turret on that thing. I don't want to die.
There's more of them! Get me back up! Fuck me! No way! No way! Everybody used to use this! Right! Cover now! Bam! Fuck me! Draw that weapon!
我们会没事的。
Everybody!
They're coming at us. Oh, from over there now.
Die, you motherfuckers!
Find some cover!
Dick! Semper Fi, motherfucker! Someone's down! Hit it hard! Shit! Cocksucker! Down! You fucked with the wrong guy! Dick!
Everyone on the ground!
Fucker! we came in, okay? Come on!
Take us to Pacific Bluffs Country Club. We'll lay low.
朝鲜 don't lay low. 朝鲜 go crazy. They will suffer.
We got helicopters following us. This is not going to end well.
Shoot those motherfuckers out of the sky.
They're after us. The Duggins mean serious business.
They don't know serious. They are dead men. Me and Brucey kicked their ass.
I'm not sure if Mr. Kibbutz is right man for that job.
我会替你转大制度化。
When is this going to end?
It's a long way from over. Now it's war.
I hope we can survive long enough for that.
What is happening?
I told Ms.Baker to meet us there.
我曾经差点在这个商圈俱乐部被杀一次就够了。
喝点香槟，冷静一下。
Don't tell me calm down， 至少那里有健身房。
You hit them! You collided with them! It looks like they're backing off.
Pussies, bro. I said it.
Don't you want their details? Okay. I think we made it.
Hey, how did the meeting go?
打他妈的！
All things considered, not very well.
这班狗仔中敢来惹我，惹来自陈涛，想开战吗？那就来啊！哪个架不如是呢？
Jesus. They didn't teach us at business school. Thank you for your help.